Humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagmumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Tapang sa social media. Oo. Harap dito ay.
Ano yung pack you? Yung pack you. Hindi ko alam. Palduhan ka ng taxpayers. Gago.
Congressman Benny Abante, may pasaring sa mga vloggers na hindi dumalo sa committee hearing ng House of Representatives, partikular sa isang DDS vlogger. Kung sino ito, abangan sa video na ito.
Elizabeth Cruz, no? AKA Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair. If we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Comsec, please answer the query of Congressman Abante. Please. Tapang sa social media. Harap dito ay.
Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Can you kindly also, Comsec, can you kindly also try to tell us those resource persons who have not attended this committee hearing? Yung may mga excuse letter, okay yun. But those who have not reply to our request to be present on today's hearing.
Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Chair.
particularly first, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
particularly I am referring to AKA Joe De Vibre sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap sapagkat dito minura niya ako at ang sabi niya, panay kabobohan sa quad, sayang kuryente sa'yo.
Bigyan mo sa kanya.
Ano yung pack you? Yung pack you. Hindi ko alam.
Congressman Abante.
Dali lang. Katutuloy ko lang puta.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang po. Binabasa ko lang
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this, BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka. Sway 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganoon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura Hindi na ako magmumura muna. Oo. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan
Please hold your fire, please.
Hindi, I'm
Just on the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin tong kanya excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumaya pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
The lawyer, if this is
Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo o slander. Nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz, na nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon, humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagmumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Chairman.
Wait,
Chairman.
no, wait.
Quiet, Chairman.
Please observe, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to, please observe decency and, of course,
Chair, I move that
with
we
all due
strike
respect,
out.
with all due respect, with all due respect with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the, yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression. But what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express, no? But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter, and we wanted to finish that, and then we will be discussing, or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules, and kaya nga po doon sana yung kay Chairman Abante, doon papatak yan sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we'll proceed to the next item
Mr.
of our
Chair,
agenda, is to approve.
So that we can have an
Yeah,
orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules
Correct.
to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules, and I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin, and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion?
Second.
This was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Administration of
Hindi mo babasahin naman ang ground rules. So the next item of our agenda is for all the
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol, Representative Abante, earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second motion.
I object because it was not expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything. That
1
can
minute
mean
suspension.
anything.
Hearing resume.
If that is the... Huh?
So it was seconded, Mr. Chairman. And the objection with Congressman Abante, it's up to the members if they will vote for it, for the objection with Chairman Abante.
1 minute suspension.
Okay na.
Hearing resume. So there's a motion to strike out the word that was delivered by Congressman Abante, and this was duly seconded. Any objection?
Mr.
Hearing none,
Chair.
that motion is approved.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
yes,
I
Congressman
just would
Abante.
like to manifest na because it was a motion made by she's just like a daughter to me because her father is a very good friend of mine. So I would like to withdraw my objection, although it is not actually an expletive.
Yeah.
But I'm withdrawing it for the sake of the motion, Mr. Chair.
So the next item of our agenda is the administering the oath of the resource persons. Those who have been invited to attend this committee hearing, please stand up, and the COMSEC is hereby directed to administer the oath of the resource persons.
May we request all the resource persons invited to stand, raise your right hand and repeat after me. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry? Thank you. Please take your seat.
Wala.
making comment.
Mr. Chair, once again,
Go ahead.
we would like to have an orderly proceedings of the hearings. So therefore, we have some reminders to the members because after this, we will now proceed to the deliberation and discussion. Please be reminded that pursuant to our ground rules, House members shall register with the committee secretary and shall be recognized on a first to register basis. Members